What motivates you to keep going every day? Why do you wake up if you're just gonna settle with what life gives you? But you should rather wake up focused, determined, with the mindset of, I will attack this day. I won't let anything get to me. You may have those people in your life who are assigned to make you feel bad. But will you let them complete their mission, or will you fulfill your destination and your purpose for being on this earth? You're great at something. It's up to you to find out what it is. And you can't say you didn't know, because I'm telling you right now that you don't always have these opportunities. These moments in life where you sit and think about what you're doing. That you sit and think about, this is the moment that I can become great. That I can become the next Mark Zuckerberg. I can become the next Larry Ellison. I can become the next Robin Lee. Stephen Cohen. You can do whatever you put your mind to. If you choose to give up, if you choose to let life give you lemons and you don't make lemonade, it's your fault. Once you breathe your last breath, no one's gonna ask, did you become great? Because they'll know. They'll know if you fulfill your full potential, and you'll know it too. What will be your legacy? Will people just remember you for being a good person? Or will people remember you for being great and changing lives and helping others and giving back? You have the power. You have the knowledge. You have the strength to be and do whatever you want to do and be whoever you want to be. This is just a part of the chapter in your life. If you want to be that known entrepreneur, you have to get yourself out there. You have to work and you have to grind day after day after day. If you want to be that athlete that everyone knows and loves to be around and loves to watch, you have to work when no one's watching. You have to train like there is no tomorrow. You have to work at it every day. There is no one perfect on this earth, and you won't change that. I can't either, but you can improve just a little bit every day. And that's why today is that day. You make that change, and greatness will be at your footstool.
I am no different from you. I've trained myself to not let anything get to me. It's kind of like an athlete getting ready for a big game. It took year after year of me telling myself, I will be great. I won't let anything stop me, and I won't let anything change my mood. So yes, I have emotions, but I've trained myself not to go off how I feel. There is nothing or no one that can hold me back from being great. That's what you have to tell yourself, but that's what you have to train yourself to be. You have to train yourself to do. You have to train yourself to think. You have to train your emotions. Your emotions will kill you if you let them. It's not the way you act on the outside. The real battle is on the inside. Right now, you're thinking about, am I that person? Am I someone who thinks negative about myself? Am I someone who thinks bad about every situation? Am I someone who can uplift others? I tell you what, the decision is yours. From this moment forward, your change starts today. I don't care where you are in your life. I don't care if you're a teacher, if you're a student, if you're a coach, if you're a player, if you're a business worker, if you're a CEO, or if you're working somewhere from a 9 to 5. It doesn't matter. But the only thing that matters is that you train yourself to be better. That you train yourself to be positive. That you train yourself to think the best thoughts about yourself. It doesn't matter the situation. It doesn't matter how bad your life looks right now. This is not the end. You have the key to your mind, nobody else. So if you stay locked in the mode that you're in and you never change, it's on you. But I'm telling you right now, you have a choice. You have a decision. You have to make up your mind right now at this moment, because there's a better life for you. Not on the outside, but on the inside. and it's waiting to be unlocked.